Hi everyone, I forgot. I wanted to give you one little piece of background information. I used to use a case involving a man by the name of Daniel Castro for a purpose that you'll see next week. But Mr. Castro was a lieutenant in the Philadelphia Police Department who got jammed up, and I'll be putting a link below this video so you can read about it yourself. But the way life works, gets in trouble, gets charged in the federal courts with extortion, which means threatening people. He made an investment of about $90,000, and the person who he gave the money to tells him, sorry, I lost it. The project failed. Castro goes to see him at some point and, makes a threat of some sort. For that threat, he is sentenced to 5 years in federal prison and serves a large part of it, and has come out. So anyway, I refer to this old case that I use, and when I go to look it up again, I realize there are more cases. So it turns out that I guess his fiancée is going to wait for him, so he gives her a power of attorney to take care of his affairs while he's in prison. And now, according to him, she has somehow misused the monies that she had control over. No good deed goes undone. Anyway, but that's him, and I'll post a link so you can read about him yourself. But we'll be dealing with Mr. Castro's newest case for a while now. Thank you.